Hey guys, this is Krista out here at Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealership. We do, however, carry a few new lines, and this is one of them. This is a brand new 2020 CrossRoads Cameo. This is the 292 RB edition, and it's amazing. So we're gonna take a walk around the outside and then head inside. First and foremost, you are already pre-wired for a generator. As you know, a lot of these don't come standard with one, but they are already pre-wired, true pre-wired. There's a panel inside already ready for one. So it's literally a plug and play down here. Your house batteries are gonna be down there as well. Some things to note about Cameo. One, they're really well built, and you've got a lot of really great warranties, one of the best in the industry, at a 3-year structural warranty on this as well. Propane tank's gonna be here. Nice big storage, if I can lock things. Check this out. Nice, huge pass-through storage here. You can fit so much gear, all the gear. Maybe if you're living in it, you pack all your winter clothes in there. I don't know, you can put whatever you want in it. Cameos are known for two things. Actually, no, what's funny about that is they're known for having two, and two. You've got 2 awnings on every single Cameo, you've got 2 AC units on every single Cameo, and you've got 2 fireplaces, and I'll show you when we get inside. Nice, stable, they're more ride steps. That way you're not wobbling on those little ones anymore. They're actually true, stable steps. Fold up into your coach when you're on the road, so they're not getting dented, dinged, all messed up or torn off. That's kind of a great feature on one of these. As you can see, this is your other nice big automatic awning here. Watch your step, because we don't want you to fall over. Head to the back. Come on to the back. You're on a 50 amp service here, so you've got plenty of power. You do have a tow hitch on the back, so if you wanted to put bikes or a motorcycle, maybe put a trailer with a quad, you have the capability to do that. You are pre-wired for a backup camera on this already as well. Nice rear ladder to do any roof maintenance you need to do. Get up there, watch the stars. You can do whatever you want. Go and follow me. Heading back this way. Didn't mention you're on dual axles, you're on a more ride system here, very stable, very secure. Gonna be a great, comfortable ride as you're pulling this guy as well. Automatic leveling here, so it's a one-touch button. You're not out there cranking anything. Touch a button, level up, you're done. Your maintenance center is gonna be here. This is gonna have everything you need. Your outside shower, your dump station's gonna be here, your pot fills, everything one convenient location, so you're not having to go across the coach, all these things. Really great. Let's go inside, because this floor plan is gonna blow your mind. Alrighty guys, you ready? You're back inside this brand new 2020 CrossRoads Cameo. This is the 292 RB, and this is gonna be great. First of all, you get this nice big island here in the middle. If you're entertaining, this is a perfect unit for that, and it just gets better and better. Look at how big this sink is, first of all. First and foremost, nice big stainless steel sink. No longer are you washing one thing at a time in this bad boy. Nice big double door fridge. Yeah. Nice big double door fridge here. Be able to take a lot with you. This is one thing that Cameos are great for. Your appliances are so much bigger. You've got a nice big microwave that you can fit something in. A nice big stove that you can fit something in. 3-burner stove here. Maybe you're the kind of person that likes to make pancakes on a full skillet. You can actually do that in this. It's so great. Lots of nice storage over here. Below, you're not even seeing on this side, there's plenty of storage on the other side of this. Your TV does swivel out, so you can see it from anywhere in here. One of your 2 fireplaces here, which is going to be down. There you go. It does give off heat, so maybe you just want to get a little bit of the chill out of here. That's going to work for you. Nice big trifold sofa, but look at all these windows. Look at how much light you have in here. It's light, it's bright, it's homey, it's warm. You've got great blue accent lighting. It's not too blue, it's just nice and calming almost. Recliner chairs that are heated and massaged. Oh yeah, this has gotcha. Dinette table here. Here we go, you ready? Check this out. You feel like entertaining people? This is the RV for you. You've got a nice cool bar area back here. Obviously TV up here. Maybe you guys are watching some football. You've got a mini fridge down below for even more cold beverages, and whether that be soda, whatever you're drinking. You actually even have a sink over here, plenty of storage. This thing is so cool. Let's keep going. I can't even, I just need to chill because I'm just so excited. Heading back up this way, you've got a nice big bathroom. I'll let you poke your head in there. You've got a seating area there for the shower, which is nice in case you want to sit down, relax a little bit. Skylight obviously helps in case you're a little bit taller of a person. Really well built. You can feel the quality when you get in here. You're gonna have to come check it out yourself, absolutely. But let's check out the bedroom. Nice king size bed. You're not fighting for bed space anymore. You can literally have it all. Maybe you're like me and you sleep with a dog that takes up half the bed. Not anymore. At least you'll have your own space again. You've got your TV here, your nice ambiance fireplace. And check this out. This, you can't even see how much, look, you can't even see me. That's how much closet space is in here. You're also plumbed for a washer dryer. If you want to, you have the ability to do that. If you have any questions about this one or any other RV we've got, again, my name's Krista out here at Johnson RV, 503-668-5400. Talk to you soon.